Adobe Photoshop photocopy effect in Adobe Photoshop CC free tutorial. Basically, you want to add a copy of the image, click Ctrl plus J, and basically we're just going to lock the layer like so. Next, you want to go to filter and you want to go to filter gallery. Now the first step is you want to add a grain, go underneath the texture, it's right here. It's grain, and then now you can mess around with the settings or the intensity. Drag to the right, that looks pretty decent. And yet the contrast, just basically add some contrast. And now the next one right here is called articulation. And then underneath sketch, it's right here next to stamp. It's called articulation. Okay, and then we want to drag the density right here, drag it to the right. See, that's kind of what it does. Let's say 10.4, and it basically just does it more like that. It makes it more dark or more contrasty. And now this is what this looks like. So come under here, click on this little circle, and then click on gradient map. And notice how it makes the image a little bit darker. Okay, so now we want to go to properties and click right here and see how it's covering up this. Click on the bottom right arrow right here and see you can click on the color. I'm going to make the color red. As you can see, it makes the background color red. And now you want to click on reverse and adds a pretty cool like demon scare looking thing.